Well, hello. Good afternoon. It's been a while since I had this opportunity to be at a resort. And we're doing a meetup with a group called the Texas Rollers. So this is the clubhouse at this particular resort called Laurel Springs, and I'll put the information in here in case I'm saying the wrong name. It's in Humble in the Kingwood area. So I'm gonna pan around so you can see. But welcome back. Welcome back to another Abundant Life Adventure. This is Marie. Don is already in there fellowshipping. This is we came on Thursday from the last camp, Martin Dice Junior State Park, and we came straight here on yesterday, Thursday. And today is Friday. You know, yesterday was a rest day. And to get to meet the new group that invited us. I'll tell you more about it later. But we should see how we fit into this group. Playground area, pool area. Yeah, Laura Springs, Laurel Springs RV Resort. Here we go. Welcome. So,
They quit their job. They go on vacation with their job if you want to play football that season. I'm doing my time up to do my study. Life adventures, Don and Marie, sharing all our adventures. We enjoyed rest, relaxation, fireside talks with friends beneath the sky so blue.
alrighty. Well, we just had a meeting with the Texas Rollers. It was quite interesting, a business meeting. So that's a possibility of another group we may join ourselves to. But I thought I'd walk around and give you a tour of this building. It's the clubhouse. Several ways to get in. Seems really, really nice. And they showed us great hospitality. Uh, for our little stay here. It's right next to a neighborhood on this side and a railroad on the other side. We're out here by the San Jacinto River. Where you don't get this at a state park. This is nice. And then they have some places that people have theirs covered. I'm assuming that's storage. They can come. This is the shower area. Individual. I like that when it's able to be locked. Okay. Actually, they have four of them. Okay. I'm doing a little bit more showing of this park because when I went online, they did not have a video that I could find about this park. So I'm going to share this with you all. And I believe this is the laundry room, I believe. Yes. Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, this is where the mail is delivered. Okay. And as you can tell, it is big rig friendly. And it's a place where people stay too, long term. But it is really quiet. Even with the railroad, you'll say, "Oh, what's that noise?" And then you'll say, "Oh, that's the railroad." And then after that, I fall back asleep or just keep on doing what I'm doing. I think this is for dogs. Shower. Good evening. Working on dinner. I'm making a casserole, combination cowboy and a Mexican casserole. So at the bottom will be potatoes and carrots. Inside is ground meat, cheese, onions, all kind of seasoning. I even put a little broccoli in there, corn, and then I'll have cornbread, and I'll have cheese sprinkled on top and throughout cheese, picante sauce, and some taco sauce. So I'll bring you back when it's all done and baked in the oven. Well, my oven gave me a little trouble starting, but we're ready to go in the oven. Well, I started eating without giving y'all a picture, a visual picture of me enjoying this casserole. Anyway, I'm gonna taste it in front of you, but I can. Oh, mm, mm, mm. She already said it tastes good. I already done said it tastes good. If I do say so myself. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, I didn't put too much cornbread on that top, but the oven did give me a little trouble. It took 45 minutes instead of what the box said 20 minutes. But it's crunchy. It's crunchy enough now. Thin crust. Oh yeah, it's good. And it didn't take long. And it didn't take long to prepare. It does taste delicious. All righty. Pray y'all having a good night where you are. Well, good morning. Well, we are ending up making the grits here. We decided to stay one more extra night, so we're going to have grits this morning and everything that goes with it. Bacon and eggs and toast. Okay, another bright morning. Now I'm outside. Breakfast was good. Um, so everybody from that I can tell are gathering their things and getting ready to pull out. Good conversation this morning with the ladies. Hopefully, we get to join them a couple of more times this year. The Texas Rollers. The Texas Rollers RV Club is an active social group that hosts gatherings for fellowship, including annual Christmas parties. The club features group meals, activities, and opportunities for RVers to connect and travel together, often arranging special group rates at parks. The group is active on social media platforms such as Facebook, where they share memories from past events. And Don and I, enjoyed our time with them. We thank George and Janetta for inviting us. Everyone made us feel welcome. One day we were able to sit among the RVs, the campers, and we had a bowl of gumbo. Another night we were invited to a large fellowship meal. Once again, the Texas Rollers. We hope to travel with you again. Oh, he bagging it up. It's called years of experience. Well, we have to end another adventure. Remember, as I have stated before, we have to end one adventure so that we may start a new one. Thanks again for watching, for your prayers, for your likes, for your comments, and for subscribing. Also, double check to see if you're still subscribed.
Thank you for watching, subscribing, and liking. Come along again soon with abundant life adventures. Dawn and Marie.